India.
Hello. She is from America.
Namaste.
Salam alaikum.
Salam alaikum, rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.
MashaAllah. You Muslim?
Yeah, mashallah.
MashaAllah, MashaAllah. You which level?
Senior manager.
Senior. From how many time you are working in Forever?
1 year.
1 year.
Yeah.
Very nice.
And you?
I am working also 1 year.
1 year. Oh,
And I am just 22 years.
You wanna give me your secret? How you become a ego manager?
More hunger, more success.
Oh,
More efforts, more success.
that's true.
Haan.
That's true.
So I am just 22 years age.
Wow.
What is your age?
I'm 57.
57.
Yeah.
Wow. At the age of 57, you are working in Forever.
Yes.
What thing inspires you to do
Because
this?
it make me feel better. It give me strength.
Wow.
It give me motivation
Very
to become to have my own business.
Okay. What do you